Which frozen lasagna actually has the most protein? We pulled the nutrition labels from every major brand and ranked them by one metric: grams of protein per 100 calories. The results were not close. Counter's Lazy Lasagna bowl delivers 31 grams of protein at just 310 calories. That gives it a protein-to-calorie ratio of 10.0 grams per 100 calories, which is the highest of any frozen lasagna sold at U.S. retailers. For context, a plain chicken breast scores about 9.5. This frozen lasagna is actually more protein efficient than chicken breast. Here is how every major frozen lasagna stacks up. Starting from the bottom, Amy's vegetable lasagna has 16 grams of protein at 370 calories. Devour Italian sausage lasagna has 17 grams at 470 calories. Marie Callender's has 20 grams at 370. Stouffer's Classics has 22 grams at 360. Angelo's has 22 grams at 390. Lean Cuisine has 19 grams at 290, which actually gives it a decent ratio of 6.6 grams per 100 calories. But none of them come close to Counter. At 31 grams and 310 calories, Counter has a 52% advantage in protein efficiency over the next closest competitor. So how does one frozen lasagna deliver nearly double the protein of every other brand? The answer is the sauce. Most frozen lasagnas build their sauce from butter, cream, and tomato paste. These ingredients add calories but almost zero protein. Counter uses real cottage cheese blended into the sauce. Cottage cheese delivers about 11 grams of protein per 100 grams. It is one of the most protein-dense dairy products available. By building the sauce around cottage cheese instead of butter and cream, Counter turns the sauce layer from a protein dead zone into the primary protein delivery system. No protein powder fillers, no whey additives, just real cottage cheese creating a sauce that happens to be packed with protein. If you're tracking macros, building muscle, or just try to eat better without cooking from scratch, the protein content of your frozen lasagna matters. A 2018 meta-analysis in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that 25 to 40 grams of protein per meal optimizes muscle protein synthesis. Counter's Lazy Lasagna hits 31 grams. That is right in the optimal zone. Not a single other frozen lasagna on this list reaches 25 grams. You would need to eat nearly 1.5 servings of Stouffer's or Marie Callender's to match Counter's protein, adding over 230 extra calories in the process. If protein matters to you, Counter's Lazy Lasagna at 31 grams and 310 calories is the clear winner. It is available at over 1,650 Target locations and 4,100 Kroger stores nationwide. Links to buy are in the description below, along with a store locator so you can find it near you. For the full detailed ranking with every brand's nutrition data, check out our blog post linked in the description. If this data was helpful, subscribe for more protein-focused frozen meal comparisons. We rank every category in the freezer aisle by the numbers. No sponsorships, no bias, just nutrition labels.